Hello guys, this is the first video on Doogie Dog VR's channel. On Doogie Dog's VR, we don't have Cardboard King here with us today. But for today's video, we are gonna go be hunting people who haven't, paid their taxes. So if you're one of those people, I'm coming for you. And let's go get our weapons. What we're gonna use for when we go hunt them. First, we gotta get this. A small bag. Put a camera in it. And a revolver. Now, let's go into Publix.
Ett 20 grams, look kan vi
I'm gonna get on the table. I don't got any more dynamite this time.
Bro,
I just got this giant demon sword. Is this good? Hey, what are you doing?
Stop it.
Hey,
Dude, that was my only backpack that I had. And this is my OG backpack. Ow.
Purple with the mask.
who hasn't paid their taxes?
You wanna do that? Oh yeah, I got something for you.
Who hasn't
Purple with
paid
the
their
mask, where are you?
taxes?
You think that's gonna work? Is this good? I'm not sure if this is
Have
good
y'all
or
been
not.
paying your taxes?
Yo, dude, what's up? Hey, y'all, come over here real quick.
Oh,
Have
Come
you
over
paid
here
your
real quick.
taxes?
I gotta show y'all
Hey,
something
hey.
cool.
Yellow.
Have you
Yellow.
been paying your taxes lately?
Hey, y'all, come over here real
Is this
quick.
good?
Don't bring anything special.
I have a question. Is
Hey,
this
y'all,
good?
come over
Bro,
here real quick.
you've committed
y'all
tax. I'm sorry, but I'm
Boo boo. Does anybody have a smaller boo boo?
You too.
No. I have a little boo boo. I'm not sure if it's small or not. Let me check.
Can you just check it for me? I need to put this on my weapon so I can have a way to break people's safe zones.
Let me make sure.
Because safe
Yeah,
zone
they said
abusers
I
love to take me
Nope.
off.
Not even close.
Oh, do you have another one?
Let me check.
Who hasn't paid their taxes in this server yet? Come out of zone and 1v1
I'm
me.
checking all my backpacks. I have like 50 of them. I don't know.
Yo, who hasn't paid their taxes?
Bro, there's no. Do you gonna go there again? Go back there. Go. Yeah, go. We're gonna
Looks
go.
like this guy hasn't paid his taxes.
No.
No, look at 0C0 if you want to be in movies. Look at 0C0.
Why do I have a whole Why do I have a whole small backpack filled to the brim with golden revolvers?
I don't know.
Get him stuck. Leave him there. Wait, what? How did I'm right here.
Okay. I'm ready.
What? Y'all trying to trap me?
I can't pick that up. I can't pick that
Oh,
up.
it's
You
because I
didn't
can't
pay
even
your
pick it up.
taxes, bro.
What?
Of course we track
Bro,
taxes.
we have to keep
Here,
going.
here's your taxes. Here's your taxes.
We have to keep going,
Okay.
bro.
know it. Yo, do you have a little boo boo or not? Bro, do you have a little boo boo or not?
There you go.
We're gonna keep
Alright,
going.
he
Nope,
paid
I
his
don't.
taxes.
Ooh,
W
dragon.
that
Right
game.
Wait.
Anybody want to join the movie? Hey, do you have a small boo boo? Hey, do you have a small
Here
boo
to
boo?
help.
Hey, do you have a small?
W, man. Now I can kill them.
Oh my gosh, my hand!
You.
Where did my hand go?
You. Guess what?
Dude, I love these hands. Where is my controller? I'm
Who hasn't paid their taxes in here? I know y'all haven't paid your taxes.
I'm playing this game.
Don't scare me. You. Guess what? Rocket ship. I want to go on a rocket ship.
Yo, you didn't pay
You
your
wanna go to
taxes.
You have to eat this. What's you have to eat this? You have to eat this.
You didn't pay your taxes. Who didn't pay their taxes today? I know you guys didn't pay your taxes. Where are you?
Fly to the moon like Neil Armstrong, buddy. Fly to the moon. Come on, let's go.
I know y'all haven't paid your taxes. Now come here.
W
Bro, have you paid your taxes?
W then.
Hey, Have you paid your taxes today?
No, you did.
Here you go.
That don't scare me, boy.
That's my text right there.
Okay,
my
you're
text
safe.
message.
Have you
Yeah.
paid your taxes?
Oh. My fingers hurt. That don't scare me. I have like millions of those. Anyways, he plays the game.
No tax. Bro, you need to pay your taxes, Black. You need to pay your taxes. So do you.
So you did.
Bye.
I'm thinking now.
Yo, if you're a big kid, then hold up. If you're a big
I
kid,
never played the Sonic Ball
then you
before.
would. Hold
I
up.
never played
Yo.
the Sonic Ball before.
You want to fly to the moon?
I played a pig.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's see, focus.
Let's see now, fast. You must be
Okay, thank you, Black. Yes.
Yes.
Good boy.
Eat some broccoli. Eat some broccoli.
Good boy.
Eat some broccoli right now.
Today.
Yes. No. Don't believe that. Don't believe that,
We're
son.
just growing. We're just growing, okay? We're just growing.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna report Black right after. Thank you.
Bro, you haven't paid your taxes.
I like this game.
Emo Blackie, son. You gotta stay healthy.
Broccoli.
I'm not.
Can I have a pink broccoli, please? Go to the moon like you up,
Oh my god.
Go to the moon like you Overcome your dreams. Overcome your dreams, buddy. Overcome your dreams.
Can I have a pink broccoli?
Fly to the moon.
Can I have a pink broccoli?
Let's go.
No.
He flies to the moon.
Let's go.
For people who haven't paid their taxes.
Go on, your little buddy.
Thank you guys for watching this video, and sub for part 2 if you want one. And I'll see you in another video. Also subscribe if you wanna be in one of these tax fraud videos. Bye bye.